welcome to the video. So today we are gonna learn about new lesson. It is a procedure text. Let's get started. What is procedure text? Apa itu procedure text? It is a kind of text which is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence, action, or step. Jadi, yang bermaksud atau memiliki arti bagaimana suatu jenis teks yang digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan bagaimana sesuatu itu dijelaskan melalui langkah-langkah secara berurutan. The type of procedure text. Here can be divided into three types of procedure text. The first type is option manual, yaitu petunjuk pengoperasian atau bagaimana pemakaiannya. For example, how to operate computer. And the second type of procedure text is instruction. Biasanya dipakai petunjuk untuk resep makanan. For example, how to cook instant noodle. And the third is human behavior. Biasanya ini berhubungan dengan kegiatan manusia. Misalnya, for example, how to live happily. Bagaimana cara hidup bahagia. The purpose of procedure text. It is used to show how to do or make something through sequence, action, or step. Digunakan untuk menggunakan bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu. Misalnya, bagaimana cara membuat kue. The language feature of procedure text. The first is imperative or kata perintah. For example, boil some water in the pan. And the second is simple present tense, using verb 1, for example, fry, boil. The third is, and the next is conjunction and connective sequence. For example, then, next, after that, first, finally. And the next is action verb. For example, cook, pour, and the last is adverb atau kata kerja. For example, for 5 minutes. And the next is the generic structure of procedure text. The first is the goal or aim. It is a give information about the purpose of procedure text. Terdiri dari memberikan informasi dari tujuan teks prosedur. And the second is material. It is a material needed atau sesuatu yang dibutuhkan. The third is step. It is consists of a sequence, action, or instruction in the procedure text yang berisi tentang langkah-langkah atau cara-cara yang dibutuhkan. And the last is the result atau hasilnya. So this is the generic structure of the procedure text. The first is a goal or aim. The second is material, and the third is step, and the last is result.
For example, how to use milk tea recipe. First ingredients: 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoon tea powder, and cup water, and 3 teaspoons sugar. The direction: boil water in a saucepan, and the second, add sugar and tea powder in it and boil for 3 until 4 minutes on medium flame. And the third, add milk and boil it over medium flame for 6 until 7 minutes or until bubbles start to rise. Next is turn off the glass and strain the tea in a cup. Tips and variation. If you like more creamy tea, then avoid water and use only milk. Mix milk, sugar and tea powder and boil them over low flame for 6 until 7 minutes. If you do not like it too creamy, then use more water compared with milk. Add ginger, mint, cinnamon, and cardamom or tea masala while preparing it for nice flavored tea. And taste sweet and hot. And a serving idea: serve it in the morning with breakfast or in the afternoon with evening snack.
So I hope this video can useful for you. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.